Excuse me. You have not spread this gospel of honey keeping in Kawenge district. Because it is also part of the Toro region.
Ngori mutitizi sawo. Lwaki odduka? Lwaki odduka nze zonna zisitudde n'enzireta. They are robbing. Those are robbers. These are stingless bees.
These are stingless.
Yes.
How do you classify?
So those are the stingless. Yes. They mainly make propolis.
These ones.
Yes. They have. This is the propolis, the crude propolis. Yes. This is the
Can you imagine it has
So you are making candle wax from here?
No, this propolis is now medicinal. It is the other antibiotic we had.
The other one.
Yes, it is antibiotic.
That one.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very, very sweet.
So that is it.
Very, very sweet.
And you people, you miss.
These ones migrate.
No,
Are they migrate?
Of course, we remove shoes. Don't worry, you can happen and then you take off.
I know something about I'm from down.
If you
So
think
one of
another
our
you
farmers
wash
I talked to, that's
Yeah.
Mabale Mason, has 48 of these.
No, just take
48 what?
Yes, common sim.
And these cows, is it also your project?
No, we only have this small plot here. That is the upper site, but these ones are not ours. Go. These things have been attacked. I've seen even robbers.
Now, how are you going to control these ones?
They will have to fight for themselves. They will seal everything.
You're done?
Yeah, we can. This,
You can cover.
You cover.
A second, yeah? So cut.
Amwagalanga yingi. You do there, he'll get you as you enter.
Wait.
That you face it. The entrance is this side, so it has to face the other side.
The entrance is where?
It's that behind there.
So it has to face that side.
Face this side.
Down.
It has to face the other side, the entrance. The other position. And the other hand. This stand that is empty. Have you seen that height with the BBC sky? So it is just on that position. So you turn it.